Alright, so there is one thing we need to make sure before we go further, and that is we need to add our gate. So let's do that very easily. What we're gonna do is to go to our max here, and let's just add some add, add some meshes here. So what I'm gonna do is to create a box. I'm gonna something like that. And then what I'm gonna do is to just increase the height. Not this height. Yeah, there you go. Just just put the standard one. Much better. Okay, so let's move this one here, just like that. And maybe we can decrease this one. Yeah, that could work. So what we're gonna do is to increase the size of this one, and then just duplicate this one like a bunch of times, maybe 15, and then this one's deleted. And then what we're gonna do is to rotate this one. What we can do is to do something like this, put it here, and then just maybe 10, or exactly the same way. So there are some ways we can, well, some things we can do to, put this into this size. So first, what I'm gonna do is to maybe something. Let's try to get this vertices here. And what we're gonna do is to scale this one just like that. Actually, not that one. I'm gonna select this ones. Okay, and then just do something like that. There you go. Okay, and now what we want to do is to isolate these ones, just like that. And what we want to do is to actually attach these ones, attach all of them except this one. And what we can do is usually use a boolean. You can use something like this, like go to our component objects, boolean, like start picking, and then just click this one, and it's another intersection. Let's go back, go back, go back. Yeah. We can use the intersection or something like that, but there is an easier way, and we're gonna. Whoa, I don't want the boolean there. All right, so we can just do something like this. Very easy. All right, there you go. And that's our gate. And what I want to do is to put the pivot point in the same position of this one. So I'm gonna affect the pivot point, and I'm going to align this one to this one. I'm gonna check the pivot point into. Oh, that's strange. Let's back to 0, and let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's reset the transform node. And then let's just affect pivot only, and then we're gonna align. Okay, and there you go. The pivot is in the same. So we're gonna call this one SM bridge gate wood. There you go. And then export. And look at what we got here. Where's our wood? There it is. And actually, what I'm gonna do is to just duplicate this one, and I'm gonna change to the wood type. There you go. Now we're talking. Alright, now we have our gate. Finally, no one can pass. These guys look more imponent now. They can be relaxed, chill a little bit. Even if we die, these guys can go through. But there's always a but. We need to do stairs here because, and there's also another plank here that the player can use to open this one. But let's not touch these things now. For now, let's not touch it. So what we're gonna do is to first we need to make this one higher, and let's do that first. Let's go to our lovely polygons and then go higher, just like that. Export, and we actually have another ornament here that we're gonna put. We need to put it, and the reason why we need to put it is because we need to have a sense of scale. So this one is going to more or less something like this. Alright, so something like this. And not only that, but no, we're gonna have the chamfer. Something like that. And you're gonna increase the size of this one. Just like that. Perfect. So later on, let's put this one here. Let's do the inset here, something like that. Then let's just extrude this one like this. Let's go lower. There you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna call this gate big ornament. Okay. Later on, we will see what we can do with this one. Looks like this is the symbol or something. Let's see what we can do later. Let's do not worry about things we don't can control now. So let's do something like this, and then bling. There you go. Brilliant. I guess this one is a little big, so let's scale this one and actually put it more square. Let's see. Alright, much better, I guess. I don't know how you feel about it, but I think it's working well. So let's go back to this one and just do something like this. Export. Hope for it not to crash. It didn't crash, so perfect. Okay, so we're gonna stop right here, and later on we're gonna work on this roof, and later we will take care of the bottom part. Let's see if we need it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this insightful and you're learning from this, please share it with a friend, someone you think like may be useful to that person. And if you have any comment or something, just let us know in the comments, and we may do a tutorial about it. If you have any doubts or something, we are here to help. And also, if you're making a game, don't forget to check the links in the description so you can get some help for free. And this is it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.